Ngayong Enero ay pinagdiriwang ang Philippine Tropical Fabrics Month kung saan ay bida ang ating mga natural at mga lokal na fibers. Ang selebrasyon na ito ay ayon sa Proclamation No. 313 Series of 2012.
Love it! Aside sa paggamit po ng ating iba't ibang local textiles, pagkakataon dito para mas maipagmalaki ang kulturang Pinoy. Dapat lang. Kaya naman alamin natin ang iba't ibang textiles at iba pang detalye sa pagdiriwang ng Philippine Tropical Fabrics o PTF Month. Makakasama natin this morning, Sir Julius Leaño Jr., ang Director ng DOST Philippine Textile Research Institute. Good morning!
Good morning!
Good morning!
Pati yung suot niya! So proud! So proud!
Ayan. Sir, bati naman po tayo sa ating mga kababayan.
Good morning, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Magandang umaga po.
Yes, ang una agad naming katanungan, Sir, ano po ba yung mission nyo or layunin nyo para dito sa Philippine Tropical Fabrics Month po ninyo?
Ang mission natin talaga ay buhayin, pataasin yung level of awareness. Kasi hindi lahat na alam, di ba? Pag sinabi mong PTF, parang kami-kami lang nakakaalam. So parang hindi naman pwedeng...
Ilabas naman natin!
Oo, parang dapat pag sinabi mong PTF naman, lahat naman could relate, di ba? So kaya, yeah, thank you for the opportunity. At least ma-pitch natin this Philippine Tropical Fabrics Month.
Sa amin po ang pleasure na makatulong po sa inyo at sa ating mga kababayan.
At ngayon po, ano po ba ang tema ng ating selebrasyon ngayon, Tom?
Ang tema natin ngayon is spinning innovations. Alam mo, spinning is a process.
Yes.
Spinning is how you make yarns.
Yes.
So parang pag spin, there's twist, umiikot yan. So yung maliiksi nating mga fiber o mga hibla, would you imagine, makakagawa ka ng mahabang sinulid. So that's how we have, taken it off. So spinning innovations, and innovations technically how we want the industry to move forward.
Pinapakita po ngayon sa inyong
exactly.
sa mga monitors, sa ating mga television monitors,
How you make
at sa
the
mga
yarns.
nakikinig kung paano po nila ginagawa. Ayan,
Yeah, di ba?
Ano po yung...
Bulak po yan. And then,
Bulak.
ang bulak maiksi naman yan eh. Ang fiber, staple ang tawag namin. Pero imagine mo, nakakagawa ka ng continuous yarn. And the process to make that one is called spinning. So that's why she said spin innovation. And when you spin, you move around, di ba? You move all over the country. So you involve as much people as
Gaano
possible.
katagal nyo na hong ginagawa ito?
Matagal na po. The institute has been here for like
Napakalaki.
67 years. That's why we're also celebrating our 57th anniversary this month.
Congratulations, sir. Congratulations po sa ating
Good
mga
job.
kawaniri yan. Actually, kapag nagpunta, ilang beses
You've been there.
tayo
Oo
napasok
nga.
sa loob, hindi
Yes,
po ba?
yes.
Tapos, kanya-kanyang division yan eh.
Wow.
At diba, ito sa DOST, PTRI, or sa PNRI, mga ganyan. Ang unang bubungad sa'yo, love, ay yung mga innovations na gawa ng mga Pinoy. Halimbawa, sa agriculture side, di ba? Yung mga innovations ng mga makina na ginagawa nila para sa kanilang pag-aani. Ito naman sa kanilang paghahabi. Iba-iba.
Parang ito ba ay pinipilit natin na makarating sa iba't ibang lugar sa ating bansa? Or meron lang tayong isang lugar na kung saan dinadala po yung ating mga gagawing fiber?
No, we wanted it to be inclusive. Yung strategy natin is inclusive from mula Luzon yan hanggang Mindanao. So we have been strategically locating different hubs. Kasi alam mo, mahaba yung proseso paggawa ng tela eh. So yung hibla, saan galing yung pineapple, saan galing yung banana, tapos gagawa ka ng sinulid. Pagdating ng sinulid, kailan ka gagawa ng tela. So we are strategically locating this all over the Philippines. And we're very happy because tatlo na ang nagfa-function ngayon.
Yes.
By this year, we'll have the third in Mindanao. So these are the ones that make the yarn.
Pinag-usapan na po natin yung mga programa. Maaari natin i-enumerate. Ano may pinihanda natin mga programa?
For this month, definitely we'll have the first National Textile Convention. Alam mo yung Textile Convention, doon dito nagpupunta lahat ng aming stakeholders. At ang stakeholder ng textile, napakalawak niyan. May engineers, may creatives, may fashion designers, may scientists. So we wanted it to be a coming together of all of these para mapag-usapan, paano ba tayo gagalaw? And because we don't want it to be just a government thing. It should be an inclusive dialogue altogether. So we'll have that at the end of the month. But in the middle, until we mount the momentum for the National Textile Convention, marami ring meetings po yun. Remember, ang textiles, touches so many things, even footwear. Even home textiles, so even industrial applications. So all of those will have cluster meetings throughout the month. And this is getting all your energies together.
Okay. Gusto ko malaman gaano kaganda yung industriyang ito. Kasi para at least maano natin yung ating mga kababayan.
Alam mo yung handloom weaving, ito nasa damit ko for example, dito yung na-appreciate natin because this is where yung mga kababaihan are involved, diba? So they weave these fabrics. This is an ongoing activity.
Anong klaseng fabric?
Itong nasa taas po, it's a bell from Abra.
Correct.
Okay? But this one is made of pineapple. And ang purpose talaga nito ay maging wearable. It has to be a uniform material. Hindi tayo pwedeng pangkasal, alam mo yun.
Kung ano lang, kung merong ilalagay mo lang.
And we don't like the term costume kasi caution means para kang hindi ikaw, di ba?
Yes.
But ang gusto namin is it's a day-to-day
Pang
thing.
araw-araw. Kasi noong mga panahon na mga lolo
Yes,
lola
yun ang
natin doon.
sinusuot
Gamit naman. Oo.
Correct
Di ba? Ganito ng mga...
So mula damit hanggang pati sapatos, o imagine mo yung
Pwede
sapatos
naman.
is also footwear from pineapple. So we wanted it to touch as much, parts of our life
Yes.
every single day para relatable siya. Hindi
Correct.
siya museum conversation.
Necessity.
It is.
Yeah.
Textile is still a necessity.
Bago tayo dumako sa ating susunod na katanungan, paano po ba natin kaya magagawang ganito ka-reachable or accessible ang mga telang ito? Kasi
Yeah.
yung iba sinasabi nila medyo may kamahalan.
Yes,
medyo,
correct. Oh,
kasi
totoo
diba,
naman nun.
may specialization na ginagaganap eh. So paano natin...
Well, dalawang segment yan. Pag
Mas
pinag-usapan natin yung hand woven,
Yes.
siyempre there's labor there.
Yes,
There's
super.
dignity in handwork. So parang sa atin, it really has in a certain price point.
Yes.
Hindi ko sinasabing masyadong mahal. But because this one is about 180 to 200 per
Yes.
yard. Not
That's
bad,
not
di ba?
bad.
Not bad. Pero yung ating day-to-day, ito, for example, we are already on the like 250 to 350.
Not bad pa rin.
Not bad because that's for uniforms eh. And what we want is we have captured government uniforms because
That's
there's a law.
good.
Case of
Beautiful.
the Philippine Tropical Fabrics Act is actually a law. It mandates government to use it. Alam mo ba, like 1.9 million government employees. Ang laking captive market
At
nun.
yan po ba ay napapatupad?
We are implementing, kaya kami po nandito because we're raising the awareness.
good.
So, so para po mag-comply because nag-aantayan eh. Siyempre
Yes.
yung industry sabi na wala namang order. Yung iba naman, saan kami order? So, we are bridging that gap para po ma-fulfill natin yung responsibility for the law.
Mamaya, sir, sabihin natin kung paano kayo mapupuntahan, matatawagan
Sure.
para
True,
makapag-order,
true.
makapag-place ng orders.
Yeah.
Kasi maganda rin kung ma-imagine nyo, di ba? Kung ang mga guro natin,
Yes.
ang mga office
Lahat,
workers natin, mga
lahat.
companies,
Even
di ba?
our uniform
Kasi
personnel.
parang ako, feeling ko dapat lahat tayo eh.
Yeah.
We should wear it
Yeah.
para pag meron tayong makikita, may kwento yung damit
May kwento.
natin na isinusuot.
May istorya tayo
mapopromote,
talaga.
oh,
May
at lagi
istorya
tayong may istorya.
Yeah.
Ang ganda ng istorya natin. Okay, syempre gusto na namin malaman anong klaseng mga fabric ba ang meron na available dito sa
Available.
ating
Unang-una,
bansa.
meron na tayo yung, in the past, we already have pineapple base. Ito yung
Yes.
susuot ko ngayon.
Yes.
Yung banana, even
Yes.
yung trunk ng banana, we already have that. Meron din tayo, syempre, abaka. Abaka is a Filipino product. No? And then seda. You know that silk, there's silk in the Philippines. Hindi ito China lang. We have Philippine silk. It's in northern Mindanao and Car. So it's also available. And then cotton is already starting to mount
Ganda.
volume again sa Ilocos and Mindanao and even is already planting cotton. Pero ang pinakabago namin is this.
Ano
Because
po
we have
ito?
we have already developed yarns from kawayan.
Wow!
Okay? So ito po yung
Galing.
bago. It was launched last year, like September of last year. So ang tawag namin doon, love is kawayarn.
Kawayan!
So we have to relate to a younger
Ano yarn?
audience.
Ano yarn?
So,
Kawayan.
Bayog, marami kami nito sa Leyte kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Kasi kaya ako familiar, sabi ko, bayog.
Bayog, yes,
Yeah. Ginagamit namin to dati sa mga bahay-bahay
Yes,
namin,
bamboo,
floor.
bamboo.
As in, ang lamig nito. Pero, wow, naging ano
yeah,
na
and
siya.
ang bayog is endemic to the Philippines.
Yes, correct. Sa
It's
atin
endemic.
talaga
Sa atin
to.
lang
Sa
yan.
atin
Okay.
to.
Matibay yan, matibay.
Matibay, yeah. And then from, as I mentioned kanina, di ba, fiber or hibla.
Oo.
And then we make the yarns. And pag meron ka ng sinulid, the fabrics are almost automatic.
At wala sa iba't ibang klase.
Gusto ko malaman gaano kahaba yung proseso. Paano maging ganito? Gaano katagal ang kailangang ilaan?
Para makagawa.
Yes, yeah.
Mula sa fiber, siguro sabi natin mga less than 1 week, meron ka ng sinulid.
Meron na.
And hindi ito 1 kilo, this is already a lot of
Talagang
sinulid.
Yes.
malayo
Kasi
mararating.
may makina tayong gamit
Sa
dyan.
haba niyan, malayo mararating. Iba't ibang klase kawayan yan. May bayo,
Ayun,
merong
may
kawayan tinik
Oo.
at laak.
Laak is also endemic to the Philippines.
Sa Pilipinas
O kaya
ito.
pag sinin mo, ang scientific name niya is Bambusa philippinensis. So it's really endemic as well. So actually,
So proud.
17 bamboo ang atin nang napag-aralan. Remember, this is science-based. Hindi
Yes.
ito yung gawa-gawa lang sinulid.
Oo.
This is a work of engineers, of
Yes.
chemists, and material scientists to be able to give you this product.
Galing.
So we wanted to highlight as
naging
well
produkto.
innovation.
Ito
So
na, mga
once may
produkto.
tela ka na, diba, ito yung tela, ito yung hindi nakulayan. So kitang-kita nyo po yung...
Ganda ng
yung,
hindi nakulayan
diba,
din, ha?
Kita mo yung lines. This is...
Hindi
yeah.
nakulayan pa.
Pakita natin,
Hindi pa siya
This is
dyed.
not dyed, okay? Pero pag kinulayan mo, syempre sinundan namin yung kulay ng ating kawayan. So medyo dark green. And then once gusto rin natin i-package, hindi lang to wearable. I mean like damit. You can also use it for accessories.
Yeah.
And then there's so many other
ganda,
applications.
oh.
Bags,
May pa-earring.
earrings, footwear.
Footwear, yeah.
Oo,
And of
hindi
course,
lang
ito,
uniforme.
meron din.
Oh,
So,
ito. Oh, Ito
Ito ay
actually,
mula
nung
sa-
nakita po namin to.
Yung bamboo, sir.
Kinilig na kami.
That's a bamboo. This is the first bamboo collection na ang tawag namin ito fusion kasi tatlong weaving communities in Mindanao, ay in the Philippines to. This,
Okay.
the green one is of course Ilocos.
Okay.
That's Binacol. This top is Patajong from Antique. And then the belt is Yakan from Mindanao.
Ganda!
So it's made of bamboo. So and then this one, and ito naman, ang gusto naman naming i-pitch na kwento is, hindi lang ito like your civilian office uniform. We are also targeting our uniform personnel because you know when we talk to them,
Mga kawal.
iba daw po yung pride na ang suot nila ay gawa sa Pilipinas. And you know, bamboo also, meron sa kanilang mga kampo yan eh. So
Yes,
sabi na, galing lang yun sa amin yan. So we wanted them as well. And they're very happy.
Ang kapal.
Oo, nire-research ko kanina, breathable.
Breathable.
Fresco.
It must be.
Fresco
Must be
siya.
breathable.
Oo.
So all of this, at again, hindi ito basta pwedeng gawin mo lang na ganito. May mga standards na tayong sinusunod.
Okay.
Kasi may standards ang uniform personnel as far as properties are concerned. And that's how we scientists, approach it. Yeah.
Patos.
Ay, alam niyo bang gawa sa Pilipinas to? So it means that kaya natin gumawa ng top to
Hanggang
photo.
pa.
Oo.
Na, okay, so all of these are part of that advocacy because we want to raise the awareness as far as
Okay.
the use of this.
Ano pa pong mga inobasyon ang aabangan namin sa inyo?
Ang abangan natin yung papunta na tayo dun sa functional. Ano yung functional? Water repellency. Kunwari. Flame retardancy, hindi masusunog.
Yes.
Kasi remember sa home textiles requirement yun ha. Hindi naman pwedeng masunog yung sofa mo.
Totoo
So
naman,
those are also
totoo.
some of the new developments that hopefully by next year we will be able to pitch you. Ito, wala pang 1-year-old tong technology na to, but then we are
Wow,
presenting it already.
amazing.
So ang gusto ko lang i-highlight is that this is how you see the triumph of our local science, technology, and innovation.
DOST.
So DOST. Opo. The one DOST is here. Ang amin po is we are very happy po to inform you that we have a functioning innovation ecosystem in the Philippines,
Yes.
manned by Filipino scientists, creativity and innovation from Filipino scientists. At tangkilikin po natin, hindi lang po yung produkto, pero tangkilikin din po natin yung kultura ng science, technology, and innovation in the Philippines. And this is what this is all about.
At ang mga kababayan natin,
Kulturang Pilipino.
maaari bumisita sa DOST.
Yes.
Pwede.
Oo.
Paano
open.
makakapunta
School
doon?
tours, maaari yung gawin
please.
doon.
Oo.
Company tours,
Monday to
maaari.
Friday, we're open. Just let us know. School tours, bata, matanda.
How do they
you know.
contact you, sir?
Our Facebook page is very active. The DOST PTRI Facebook page. That's the easiest part, easiest way to get in touch with us. So, any way that we could assist you, even yung mga estudyante nagtitisis, let us know. Because
Yes.
ang amin is...
Itisis nyo to, please.
Oo naman.
Itisis nyo to, please. Kailangan nating kailangan nating
Susugan.
magkaroon ng awareness ang lahat, lalo na yung mga kabataan
Super,
natin,
oo.
para mapasa kung gaano kaganda ang kulturang meron tayo at mga
Yes.
textile na meron
Yes.
tayo. Hi! Sumama naman sa Profile, mga Kanet 25. This is Love and New Verbo. For more love, Tunipet, and Arafang updates, just click the subscribe button and follow us on our Net25 social media pages at Net25 TV and Net25 Entertainment Facebook. See ya. I love ya.